Looking for healthy dinner ideas for weight loss? Well, you're in for a treat. It's no secret that maintaining a balanced diet is key to managing your weight, and dinner plays a significant role in that. It's that last meal of the day, the one that can either make or break your diet plan. We're here to ensure it makes your plan, with delicious and nutritious recipes that won't leave you feeling deprived. So buckle up and stay tuned for some exciting and healthy dinner recipes. First up, we have a delicious grilled salmon with quinoa. Salmon is a superfood that's not only high in protein, but also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their heart-healthy benefits. It's also packed with vitamins like B12, D, and selenium, making it a nutritional powerhouse. Then we have quinoa, a gluten-free grain that's high in fiber and a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. It's also a great source of iron, magnesium, and manganese. Now let's get cooking. To start, preheat your grill on medium heat. While the grill is heating up, season your salmon fillets. You'll need 4 6-ounce fillets for this recipe. Drizzle them with olive oil, squeeze some fresh lemon juice over the top, and sprinkle with a little sea salt and black pepper. This simple seasoning allows the natural flavor of the salmon to shine. While the salmon sits, rinse 1 cup of quinoa under cold water until the water runs clear. This removes any bitterness on the outside of the quinoa. Then, in a medium saucepan, bring 2 cups of water to a boil. Add the rinsed quinoa and a pinch of salt. Reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for about 15 minutes, or until the quinoa has absorbed all the water. Remove from the heat and let it sit, covered for 5 minutes. This allows the quinoa to become fluffy. Meanwhile, place the salmon fillet skin side down on the preheated grill. Cook for about 6 to 8 minutes per side, depending on the thickness of the fillet. You'll know it's done when it flakes easily with a fork. To serve, divide the cooked quinoa among 4 plates. Top each with a grilled salmon fillet. For some added color and nutrition, consider garnishing with some fresh herbs like parsley or dill and a lemon wedge on the side. Remember, portion control is key. This recipe serves 4, so save any leftovers for a quick and healthy lunch the next day. Savor this protein-packed, heart-healthy meal. Scene script. Next, we bring you a vibrant veggie stir-fry with brown rice. Now, let's talk about the magic of vegetables. These gifts of nature are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fibers, each contributing to a healthy body and mind. Including a variety of vegetables in your diet is like providing your body with a full spectrum of nutrients. And what better way to do that than with a colorful stir-fry? Let's get started. First, we're going to cook our brown rice. This whole grain is a healthier alternative to white rice as it's full of fiber and keeps you feeling full for longer. While the rice is cooking, let's move on to our vegetables. We're using a medley of bell peppers, broccoli, carrots, and snap peas, but feel free to add in your favorites. The key here is to use fresh ingredients, as they retain the most nutrients. Next, heat a wok or large skillet over high heat. We're using minimal oil here, just enough to coat the bottom of the pan. Why? Well, too much oil can turn a healthy stir-fry into a calorie-heavy meal. Plus, we want to let the natural flavors of the vegetables shine. Once the oil is hot, add in the vegetables. Stir-fry them for a few minutes until they're crisp tender. You want them to retain a bit of crunch, as overcooking can lead to a loss of nutrients. Finally, add in your cooked brown rice and stir everything together. You can add in some low-sodium soy sauce or teriyaki sauce for extra flavor, but remember, moderation is key. And there you have it, a vibrant, nutrient-packed stir-fry that's as pleasing to the eye as it is to the palate. This dish is not just about eating, it's about experiencing the crunch of the veggies, the nuttiness of the brown rice, and the burst of flavors from the sauces. So, the next time you're pondering over what to cook for dinner, remember this veggie stir-fry with brown rice. It's quick, it's easy, and above all, it's healthy. Enjoy this colorful, nutrient-rich dish. Our third recipe is a low-carb delight, spaghetti squash pasta. In the world of healthy eating, spaghetti squash is a superstar. It's a fantastic substitute for traditional pasta, offering a similar texture and mild flavor. But the real magic lies in its nutritional profile. It's low in calories, high in fiber, and packed with vitamins. This makes it an ideal choice for those who want to maintain a balanced diet without giving up their love for spaghetti. Let's dive into the details of this dish. First, we'll need a medium-sized spaghetti squash. The preparation begins by preheating the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven heats, we'll cut the squash in half lengthwise and scoop out the seeds. We then brush the inside of each half with olive oil, sprinkle some salt and pepper, and place them face down on a baking sheet. The squash goes into the oven for about 40 minutes or until it's easily pierced with a fork. While our squash is roasting, we can prepare the sauce. For this, we're going to use lean proteins and healthy fats to keep the meal balanced and satisfying. We'll sauté some garlic and onions in olive oil, then add ground turkey or chicken for protein. Once it's browned, we'll add a can of diced tomatoes, some fresh basil, and a pinch of salt and pepper. We let it simmer until it thickens into a savory sauce. When the squash is ready, we'll let it cool for a few minutes before using a fork to scrape out the spaghetti-like strands. We then add our homemade sauce, toss it together, and voila! Our spaghetti squash pasta is ready to serve. This dish is more than just a low-carb alternative to traditional spaghetti. It's a delicious and nutritious meal that's packed with fiber, vitamins, and lean protein. It's a perfect example of how healthy food doesn't have to be boring or tasteless. So next time you're craving some comfort food, why not give this spaghetti squash pasta a try? It's a delightful twist on a classic dish, and it's sure to satisfy your taste buds without sabotaging your health goals. Indulge in this guilt-free comfort food. Last but not least, we have a refreshing Greek salad with grilled chicken. This vibrant salad is a symphony of flavors and textures, not to mention a treasure trove of nutrients. First, let's talk about the ingredients. The base of our salad is a mix of juicy tomatoes, crisp cucumbers, and colorful bell peppers. These vegetables are not just delicious, they're also packed with vitamins and minerals. Tomatoes, for instance, are a great source of vitamin C and potassium. Cucumbers keep you hydrated, and bell peppers are rich in antioxidants. Next, we have olives and feta cheese, both integral parts of any Greek salad. Olives are a good source of healthy fats, while feta cheese adds a tangy flavor and provides calcium. And then there's the star of our dish, the grilled chicken. This lean protein is a great choice for those looking to maintain or lose weight, as it keeps you feeling full without adding too many calories. Plus, it's a fantastic source of protein for muscle recovery and growth. Now let's move on to the preparation. Start by chopping up the vegetables, tossing them together in a large bowl. Add in the olives and crumble the feta cheese on top. For the chicken, season it with some herbs and olive oil, then grill it to perfection. Once it's cooked, slice it up and lay it on top of your salad. The final touch to our Greek salad with grilled chicken is the dressing. A simple mix of olive oil, lemon juice, and a sprinkle of oregano. This low-fat dressing adds a zest of flavor without piling on unnecessary calories. There you have it, a refreshing Greek salad with grilled chicken. It's the perfect combination of crunch from the vegetables, flavor from the olives and feta, and protein from the chicken. It's not just a salad, it's a complete, balanced meal that's as satisfying as it is healthy. So go ahead, give this recipe a try. You won't be disappointed. Relish this light and satisfying salad. There you have it. 4 healthy dinner ideas for weight loss. We kicked off with the grilled salmon with quinoa, a classic combination of heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids and protein-packed quinoa. Then we moved on to the veggie stir-fry with brown rice, a colorful medley of vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber that's as tasty as it is nutrient-dense. Next up, we explored the spaghetti squash pasta, a low-carb, high-fiber alternative to traditional pasta that still delivers on flavor. And finally, we wrapped up with the Greek salad with grilled chicken, a Mediterranean delight packed with lean protein, healthy fats, and a variety of fresh vegetables. But let's not forget, while these meals are designed to support weight loss, portion control remains key. Even the healthiest foods can contribute to weight gain if you overindulge. So, pay attention to your serving sizes and listen to your body's hunger cues. And of course, a balanced diet is just one part of the weight loss equation. Regular exercise, adequate sleep, and stress management also play crucial roles. It's all about creating a lifestyle that you can sustain in the long run. Remember, healthy eating is not about strict restrictions, but about feeling great, having more energy, and maintaining a healthy weight. So try these recipes and make your dinner time healthier.